Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Amazulu 1. I'm joined by Makati.
Timo, today we have two problems there. Our team is not doing well. Orlando Pirates supporters, they don't want us to talk about our team. At Orlando Stadium, they didn't want us to talk. But today they want to push us today. So today it's a game of Kaizer Chiefs. They must go away. And Orlando are chasing us. So Timo, on the game, we played well. We're happy for 1 point in this team. So we're still going to support Kaizer Chiefs. But what I want to say, Orlando Pirates supporters, stop targeting us. You are not allowed to be here. Our things are not going well. But we're here pushing us. What do you want here? You play yesterday. You didn't want us to go. But now you're pushing us. Why are you pushing us? They must go these people. Our team is not doing on the game of today, we are happy for 1 point. 1 point at least is something. We don't lose points, Timo.
Yes.
So we are happy about Kaizer Chiefs, what they are doing. The supporters who are saying no, Jessica Mutawu is not doing well, this is not doing well, they must go away. They are not our supporters. We told our supporters at the start of the season, if you support Kaizer Chiefs, you must expect a lose, a draw, and a win. We are not going to win every day. So this season, we are doing better. We are doing better than Sundown. We are doing better. We are not losing the game. At least at FNB, we don't lose games. At least we are collecting something. So Steve-O, Makosi, please calm down. Calm down, Steve-O. But what I said last day, Steve-O, we need a coach. We need a coach, Steve-O. These two guys there, they must go. They must follow me. Coach Nabi. They must go. I'm tired of them. Man of the match of today, let's give it to Coach Athazwan. He was spot on. He did a good job. 1 point for Amazulu is something. Thank you, Steve-O.
Thank you very much.